Wonder of nature. Introduction: the world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skill. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Fish. Fish spit water at birds. The birds fall into the water, where the fish catch it from. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in a tunnel in the wall. Its home is hiding door made of sand and dirt. The spiders hide in the tunnel to hunt. Beaver chew through tree trunks. These make dams out of tree, mud, and stones. Chameleons change color to hide themselves. They even change color to show how they feel. Flying dragon have skin on their slide that open their wings. They jump and glide from tree to tree. Leaf insect. The body parts of leaf insect look just like leaves. These animals bend and with real leaf on tree. Leaf rolling weavers. The females leaf rolling. Weaver roll a leaf into a cone. She lays her egg inside the cone. The leaf hides and protects her egg. Bellyman. The bellyman holds it from legs and a belly's point. A belly has 5 eyes to have it hunt for food. Mouse. These tunnels to find its worm. These animals have tiny eyes. These animals, birds, they are not billy. Sea dragons are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leaf parts have them catch fruit and hide from them. Conclusion: interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. They are own wonders of nature.